Want to create a trendy Y2K Senior Poster like this in Canva? Let me show you step by step. First, open Canva and then click Create. Go to Custom Size. Set the unit to pixels and then type in the width 3000 and in the height 4000. And then create new design. First, I will set the background to black. At the end, we will make it transparent so the color doesn't really matter for now. Now upload your photo into the Uploads folder. I already have 4 photos here. And then add these half body photos. Remove the background. I will reduce the size and I will place it here. Go to Edit. And then scroll down to Shadow. Click CO. Choose Outline. And change the color from black to pink. Like this one. And then reduce the size. Now go back to preview step on your browser. Close it. Click Canva AI. Make sure choose image and then type this prompt. We will make a 2026 golden number and then click submit. Let's see all the options. I will choose this one. I will download it. Now back to our project and then upload the number. Remove the background. I will increase the size like this and place in the center. Now go to element, scroll down to frames and choose paper CO. Scroll down, I will add this one for the right and this one on the left. Reduce the size. I'll place it here. Reduce this size and I will place it here, and then I will reduce the size of this scroll and move it to the top a little. Okay, back to upload folder. I will add this photo, place it here, double click on it. I will adjust the size and the position. Okay, and then click done. Now I will add this photo, place it here, double click, adjust the size and position, and then click done. And then I will click this stroke sign. I will add a stroke and then change the color of the stroke to this pink. Okay, I will increase the size of the stroke. All right, and then click this copy style and click on the other frames. I will move it to the top a little, and then I will add the last photo. Remove background. I will crop and take this one only. I will reduce the size. Place it here. Now go to text or press T on your keyboard. I will type here senior class. Select all. I will change the font to a gravity font like this permanent marker. And then I will reduce the line spacing. Reduce the size also. And then I will move it here and I will rotate a little. Reduce the size more. And then go to elements. Back again, and type here splatter. Enter. I will choose this one and change the color to pink. Click the color button, move it here, and I will choose this one. Okay, and then I will place it here. Increase the size like that. I should reduce the size of this and reduce the size of the splatter. Okay, now let's adjust all the position. Move it here, move it down a little. Alright, go to position, layers, and send the splatter frame behind all the elements. Alright, and you can click the text, go to Effect, Outline, change the color to white. Okay, now let's add some text. I will add a name here, add the last name here, add the first name here using the brush font, add the school name here, and I will change the color. Click this color button, choose gradient, add more color button, and then click on the first, change to black, click on the middle, change to black, click on the last, change to black, and I will use this diagonal gradient. Okay, and then add the effect. This is an outline, and the thickness is 50 with pink color. Now add more white and pink splatter elements behind the photos and text to create that urban Y2K vibe. Go to position, select all this splatter, and move to the back of all elements. Once everything looks good, click share, click download button, and choose PNG or PDF print to be printed. Choose transparent background so you can put it on any background color, and then click download. And now your Y2K Senior Poster is done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva design ideas. See you in the next video and have fun with Canva.